If you can click, drag and drop with a mouse, then you too can make professional videos without complex software. With Create Studio 3, you can make Pixar quality 3D character explainer videos without contracting a 3D animation studio. In fact, with Create Studio 3, you can make any type of professional video to drive engagement and boost sales, even if you have zero editing skills. I've been using Create Studio for 4 years, so I wanted to share with you my opinion on the software and my experience as a real user, so that you can decide whether Create Studio is right for you. I'll also explain what it's for and show you its features. This video has not been sponsored by Create Studio. Hi, I'm Jonathan Rice. If you're anything like me, over the years you've tried countless animation and video tools, but never found anything that combines all your needs in one package. Well, I think it's safe to say that Create Studio 3 is that all-in-one solution that I was looking for. Create Studio 3 is like the Swiss Army knife of video and animation software. Today I'll share with you the pros and cons of Create Studio 3. We're now in a world where video content makes up for 80% of internet traffic, and video has become a must-have for engagement. It's no longer optional, and people are much more likely to make a purchase after having watched a video. But making high-quality videos can be daunting because of the complex editing or freelancer fees involved. So let's see if Create Studio 3 can simplify the process of making better videos faster. And if after seeing this video you decide to get Create Studio 3, there's a link in the description below which will take you to the special lifetime access offer on the official website. So let's get into it. Create Studio 3 is a complete drag and drop video and animation software that empowers you to make all sorts of videos, including promotional videos, logo animations, intros, character explainers, slideshows, social media content, and even doodle videos. You can do it all, and Create Studio 3 works both on Windows and on Mac. So Create Studio 3 offers a lot of features so that you can do a lot of things all in the one package. So let's run through some of those main features and see what sets Create Studio 3 apart. Overall, Create Studio 3 has been designed to be easy to use for anybody. It has an intuitive interface where you can easily drag and drop elements, import media, add text, and create stunning visual effects. It has built-in flexible animation tools, which means that you can apply preset, pre-designed animations to your text and other elements within the canvas without having to design it yourself from scratch. And you can easily switch formats for different platforms, i.e. vertical or horizontal. The makers of Create Studio 3 have made a huge effort to provide you with an enormous amount of pre-built templates which give you a springboard to start your projects off from. When using Create Studio 3, you'll have access to a vast media library for use in any of your projects via the integrations that Create Studio has with Pexels, Pixabay and Giphy, giving you access to a huge collection of royalty-free images and videos that you can use in your projects. Create Studio comes with animated characters, both Pixar-like 3D characters as well as 2D characters, which you can use freely in your projects and which come with a set of animations, expressions and movements. The software also incorporates AI voiceovers, so you can generate human sounding speech just from writing text and also in multiple languages. You'll also find some advanced editing features in there, such as green screen removal, masking and smart components to enhance your workflow. Also, AI background removal has just been added. The Create Studio team are constantly adding new features, and recently they've added some really good ones, such as a new type of 3D character which can be completely customized, AI background removal for images, which was a highly requested feature, and finally automatically generated captions based on the dialogue of the project, which are ever more important these days with more and more people previewing videos without sound. And then when you have your project finished and ready to export, the export options couldn't be simpler. You can export in the format of your choice. Create Studio launched back in 2020 when it was called Create Studio. Then it became Create Studio Pro, and now it's called Create Studio 3. Since its beginnings in 2020, it's now grown to have 35,000 creators using it. And the team behind Create Studio are constantly working in the background, listening to user feedback to bring improvements and new features and tools so that you have everything you need to achieve whatever your goals are with your videos, all in the one place.
Good work, team.
When Create Studio first came out, it didn't have everything I needed. It missed some key features like in-app video editing and voiceover recording. However, Create Studio has constantly evolved and has addressed these issues. So we're now at the point where Create Studio 3 has got bigger, better, and where you can do everything all in one place. I now no longer need to jump between apps and tools.
Keep it simple.
Having such a vast library of royalty-free images and videos at your fingertips within the project is a great time-saving feature, not to mention the money you can save when you compare that to some paid platforms for images. Create Studio 3 is perhaps the only video and animation software that includes Pixar quality 3D characters as well as 2D characters. If you want to do doodle style videos, well then Create Studio 3 also has you covered there. You can use Create Studio 3 to create promotional videos, video sales letters, or educational content, all in doodle style. You can even use the doodle feature to have it draw out images, text, video, or really any element you want. The AI speech feature allows you to generate human-sounding speech just from typing in the text.
This is AI-generated speech. Get Create Studio lifetime deal while it lasts.
And you can do that in multiple languages from all over the world, as well as upload your own speech recordings to use as you wish in your project. Use the pen tool to create complex shapes to be used as masks, or to cut out faces to be used with bobblehead animations. Use the AI background removal feature to swap out the backgrounds on your images so you can place your subject in a completely different context, and there's so much more. It's actually quite difficult to find anything lacking with Create Studio 3, especially with the recent additions of stuff like AI background removal, auto-generated captions, and AI-generated speech. All those three things would have been on my list not too long ago, but I can cross them all off the list now.
Crossing everything off my bucket list.
Which leaves me with just a couple of things. One thing I'd like to see is, with the AI background removal feature, the ability to adjust the output. Currently it gets it right most of the time, but now and again, as with any AI background removal service, there will be times where you lose some of the image that you wanted to preserve. And it would be nice to have a feature to go directly into the output and manually adjust it with brushes or pen tools and stuff like that. That doesn't currently exist, so it's take it or leave it. The output is uneditable, so that's something I would like to see. But it's not a biggie either. And then really the only other thing that comes to mind at the moment is on the timeline, I would like it to be easier to zoom in and zoom out. You can quite easily zoom in and out by clicking and dragging the timeline, but I'm used to, on other video editors, just having shortcuts or a plus and minus button to go in and come out nice and quick, and I like that. Really, there's not much to say in this section. So I would say Create Studio 3 is ideal for business owners, YouTubers, educators, influencers, anyone who wants to make engaging video content quickly and easily.
Those guys make awesome videos.
Also, let's say if you want to make videos but you don't want to appear in the videos, Create Studio 3 is a great solution because of all the characters that come included, 2D as well as 3D, which allow you to tell your story without you being on the camera. In today's competitive online space, if your video doesn't stand out, then it's no longer enough. About 300 videos are uploaded to YouTube every single minute, and users' attention span is very short.
No attention span.
So if you're someone who wants to make videos in half the time, make attention-grabbing content that wows your viewers and keeps them engaged until the end,
Wow, wow, wow.
with minimal effort,
Piece of cake.
then Create Studio 3 is right for you. Nope, absolutely not. There's no limit on the number of videos you can make.
There is no limit.
You can have as many projects and videos as you like. It doesn't matter what plan you're on, the number of videos is unlimited. Yes, absolutely. You can monetize the videos you make with Create Studio 3. You have a commercial use license, and you can even use them in clients' projects. So this avoids you having to outsource and pay hefty freelancer fees, not to mention the time and hassle you save by making the videos on your own and not having to deal with anybody else. Beyond the Create Studio 3 software itself, there's a thriving community of creators growing by the day, ready to support and inspire you. You will get full access to this community, which is on an exclusive Facebook group, when you sign up. And in addition, Create Studio 3 provides a really comprehensive tutorial library as well as responsive customer support. All of which means, if you're new to editing and software, you don't have to worry about getting stuck. Someone will be there for you.
Got your back? We got your back.
So, is Create Studio 3 worth it? As a user, I say yes, definitely. Its combination of powerful features, user-friendliness, and community support make it an invaluable tool for anyone who wants to make high-quality videos. And because you don't have to be an experienced editor to use it, it allows beginners to get expert results. Create Studio 3 is outstanding. With all of its different features rolled into one, with the types of video that you can make, its potential applications are almost endless. You can use it for so many things. With its library of templates, its assets, its characters, its drag and drop editor, its creators community and support. And something else that's really valuable about Create Studio 3 for a lot of people is that no previous tech or design skills are necessary.
Job requiring no training or no experience.
It's been designed for anybody to be able to use it quickly and easily. And with the current special lifetime offer, there's never been a better time to try it. Using Create Studio 3 to make your videos and animations, instead of contracting freelancers, can represent thousands of dollars of savings, not to mention a crazy amount of hours as well. Just with the savings from your first video, you'll have your investment paid back. So with Create Studio 3, you'll have no more expensive freelancer fees and no more boring videos. As a very satisfied user myself, I honestly encourage you to go for it. It's got a full 30-day 100% money back guarantee. So give it a shot, you have nothing to lose. I invite you to join the Create Studio creator community today. Start creating amazing videos today with Create Studio 3. Click the link in the description below and get started now. Now check out my other video in which I reveal all the assets that are available in Create Studio. That's all characters, backgrounds, elements, templates, graphics, animations, everything. You should see that video on the screen now. I also invite you to check out my Create Studio playlist, where you'll find tutorials, tips and explanations all around Create Studio 3. Thanks for watching and hopefully see you again soon.